Do you dream of creating amazing and innovative visual content without any complications or difficulties? Do you want to benefit from the famous and popular Canva platform in the best possible way? If the answer is yes, then you need to try vidaloka Canvaedition. This program is a specialized package that adds to you many advantages and features that enable you to unleash your creativity and produce great and eye-catching content. Whether you are a professional or a beginner designer, you will find in this program everything you need to design stories, animated posts, and attractive videos for any platform or channel. What is vidaloka Canvaedition? Vidaloka Canvaedition is a specialized package available on the Canva platform that aims to enhance creativity and provide a library of attra. You can use this program to create professional and attention-grabbing video content for any platform or channel. Some of the advantages that this program offers are animated stories, a library of 240 animated stories that you can choose from to add dynamic and attractive elements to your designs. Video templates for animated posts, a set of video templates designed to make it easy for you to create animated posts for social media or other platforms. Easy-to-use templates. The templates are designed to be easy to use and easy to access, allowing you to create amazing visual content. Optimized for mobile use. The templates are optimized for mobile use, allowing you to design on the go, comfortably and efficiently. Compatible with the free version of Canva, vidaloka Canvaedition works smoothly with the free version of Canva, which means that you can access these enhanced features without the need for a paid subscription. Different categories. The program includes templates from different categories, catering to different interests such as travel, fashion, business, commerce, food, brands, events, sports, printing, etc., providing a variety of options for different fields. You can raise your game in design by using vidaloka Canvaedition to create animations and images that leave an impression on your audience. This program promises to enable you to open the doors of your creativity and turn your ideas into masterpieces, whether it is for marketing campaigns, social media posts, or other creative projects. How does vidaloka Canvaedition work? Why should you spend money on vidaloka Canvaedition? Unleash your creativity. Investing in vidaloka Canvaedition opens a door for you to a world of unlimited creativity. With a huge library of animated stories and video templates for animated posts, you can bring your ideas to life in ways you never imagined. Create amazing visual content that captivates your audience and sets you apart from others. Easy design. Say goodbye to hours of frustration with complex design tools. Vidaloka Canvaedition offers you easy-to-use templates designed for mobile use, allowing you to design on the go with ease. Whether you are a professional or a beginner designer, making animations and images has never been simpler. Discover the power of your brand with vidaloka Canvaedition. Rock it! Are you ready to take your product promotion and marketing to the next level? Look no further. Introducing vidaloka Canvaedition, your ultimate toolkit for creating stunning images that captivate your audience and drive sales. Boost your brand. With vidaloka Canvaedition, you have the tools to create visually stunning marketing materials that resonate with your target audience. From eye-catching social media graphics to professionally designed flyers and brochures, your brand will shine like never before. Increase engagement. Engage your audience like never before with dynamic video and interactive design. Whether it's an engaging promo video or an engaging animated infographic, vidaloka Canvaedition lets you tell yo. Easily collaborate with your team, no matter where they are. With Canva's cloud platform, you can collaborate in real time, ensuring everyone's creative input is seamlessly integrated into your marketing masterpiece. Easy customization. Use Canva's easy-to-use interface to perfectly customize your marketing materials. No design experience, no problem. With a wide selection of templates, fonts, colors, and images to choose from, creating professional content has never been easier. Expand your reach. Are you ready to launch a product promotion? Canva's versatile export options make it easy to share your creations on social media platforms, websites, and presentations. Stay connected with your audience, no matter where they are. Don't miss out on an opportunity to revolutionize your product. P.